Okay, so now we've assembled all 4 bulbs and connected it to a power source. So now I'll show you the full effect if all 4 bulbs are turned on. So there are 2 switches at the back, so just flip both switches on. So this is when one switch is flipped on, 2 bulbs light up. And when you flip the second switch, all 4 bulbs light up. So this is the final effect from this Fluorobox package. Okay, so one little reminder, make sure to tighten your bulbs so that it can get electricity and it can light up, or else it will not light up. So I'll show you a demonstration with one bulb loosened and it will not light up. So for a better illustration, I will turn off one side. Okay, you can see these 2 bulbs are bright. Okay. But what if this bulb is loosely screwed? As you can see, this bulb does not light up even though the switch is on. So if you ever come across a situation where you flip the switch on, it's connected to a power source, but the bulb still does not light up, try tightening the bulb and it will light up. So I'll turn it on again, all four bulbs, for you to see the final effect. Hope you found this tutorial video helpful and useful. So I'm Eunice from Awesome and Vivid Studio, and thank you very much for watching.